All Japan Day. We're ready to go. Back there's on the trailer. Shen's just coming out the door. We've got security. Shen looks like she's just going to kill me because she'll wake her up too early. Hey Shen. Oh, she doesn't feel great, so see how we go. But yeah, we're on our way. Let's go. Alright, we've unloaded. Hey Shano.
Yes.
Dougie. And we got a car park just over there. And we're only like a 5-minute walk. So winning so far. But anyway, started up and everybody just started looking. What the fuck? Anyway, let's have a good day. Hey Shano. They're not open yet, babe.
Well, I'll be waiting.
We're at All Japan Day, waiting to get some stickers now. A bit slow on this line up, but anyway.
And it's muggy and gross.
Yeah, muggy and gross. Alright, we're here at All Japan Day and I got one of my best sponsors out here. He's always taking photos of my car when he brings his fucking camera. MADAS, mate. He's always here taking photos, so good to see him here. Hi, Adam.
Hi.
Okay. Alright, take photos then. See ya.
Okay.
Look at him go. Oh, oh. Can't put that on YouTube, mate. Alright, here at fucking Japan Day, and then you've got JK over there doing his stuff, like he normally stuff. So he's always on the live feeds. Busy man, that one. Yeah, great day here so far. Alright, standing next to our HEFFE'S chop shop. Chevy's car. It's a Commodore. With an alot in it. Commodore problems. With that on it. So go to his channel. Pass him out, you'll see the build. So yeah, go to his channel, HEFFE'S Chop Shop, and you'll right. Anyway, yeah, go check him out. Even got the BLUEWIRE guys here.
We love you, Cheesy.
Thank you. Love you too. Right, All Japan Day. Best thing about it is lunchtime. We get ice cream. Dougie's having a field day. He's getting more attention than Cara does. I think I said that 400 times already, but anyway. Let's enjoy some cookies and cream. Alright, end of Japan Day, they're all leaving. I'm just waiting for the right moment. Shani's at the trailer, saying it's blocked in, so I guess we're waiting over there too. Anyway, we'll sit here for a bit and we'll get on the trailer.
How was it?
I drove past the cop.
Shit yourself.
Yep. That's a smidge. Anyway, we drove it on the street. Told I drive it out.
Drove it on the trailer. With some issues, but it's on there.
Alright. TOY-BUSA's home. Another car show. Oh, Japan Day done and dusted. And I did what I wanted to do. I drove it out the fucking event. In front of cops. But as you see, we have liquid horsepower. So I took this thing around the block. And it breaks traction second, third, fourth. Crazy, eh? But anyway, thanks to everybody that came out. Yeah, big shout out to the people that came up and chat about TOY-BUSA. Catch up with Jay, Duca, Low Standards. Checked up at IB, Oz Rebuilds, MALSWORLD. Shit yeah. Adam, MADAS sponsors my car all the time. He just takes photos and just sends them to me. It's killer. All the Corolla guys. Yeah, awesome. The wife, you know, she's always there behind me, so it's always good. Dougie came out for his first car show today. He's a bit tired at the moment, so he's in bed. Sean Basford, BLUEWIRE, caught up with him today as well. Lovely Julie over there. I sort of put a sticker on his tent, so I wonder if he can find it yet. Yeah, Jeff Watt from HEFFE'S Chop Shop. Took his VN Commodore there, badged Commodore there, meant to be a Lexan, but I don't know, whatever. But yeah, he was there. Heaps of people. Like, it was great to see everybody there. All my mates were there, like saying g'day. And you guys came up, grabbed some stickers. I think I took about 500, ended up with 100 left. So wicked. TOY-BUSA's there. Might do some painting next. But yeah, she goes like a rocket. Alright, thanks for coming. Share, like, subscribe, and comment, please. Thank you. I'll see you next time. We'll get back onto the Lockie's car. See ya.